As you saw in the main technique video, support a statement helps students deepen learning from lectures by using their notes to support a provocative statement. Here's how you can implement support a statement in your online course. Prepare by crafting a provocative statement related to your upcoming lecture. In a synchronous lecture, present the statement at its conclusion and give students a few moments to look at their notes to find supporting information. Next, assign students to breakout rooms to discuss their finding. Then bring students together to report their findings to the class. To vary this technique, consider asking students to refute a statement rather than support it. In an asynchronous video lecture, have students submit their findings as an assignment through your course's learning management system. Have students include a timestamp referencing when the information was presented in the recorded lecture. This technique is great for providing a quick glimpse into whether students are understanding course content. At the K. Patricia Cross Academy, we encourage you to try support a statement in your online class. Download our free support materials for step-by-step instructions and additional guidance.